Are you tired of twisted, tangled hoses that are slowing you down while pressure washing? Hi everyone, I'm Brian, founder of Slick Products, and today we're taking a look at our pressure washer swivel gun. This is designed to keep your hoses straight and make washing fast and easy. First, the stainless steel swivel inlet reduces hose twisting, so you won't get tangled while washing, giving you smoother and more comfortable movement as you clean. Second, the short, ergonomical handle makes it easy to maneuver, letting you reach tight spots and move around your vehicle quickly and clean efficiently without the hassle of large wands that come with most pressure washers. And third, it's compatible with most pressure washers thanks to multiple adapters, including a 3/8 quick connect, M22 14mm and 15mm inlets, plus a 1/4 quick connect outlet. Rated up to 4,000 PSI and 2.6 GPM with durable construction, it delivers reliable performance every time. Using it is simple. Connect your pressure washer hose to the swivel inlet, then attach any accessory or foam cannon to the 1/4 quick connect outlet and start spraying. The swivel keeps the hose untangled, while the short handle lets you quickly move around your vehicle or equipment. This is perfect for washing cars, trucks, off-road vehicles, driveways, and more. We'd love to hear from you, so please drop your comments or questions in the section below. And be sure to check out all of our detailing and cleaning products, providing a faster, safer, and easier cleaning experience for all your dirty toys. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy the ride.